Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Pretty neat pattern. Somebody's just having trouble. They went off one of my other videos and they're having trouble duplicating it down. And here's what they're doing. Well, there's really no wrong way, but the best way to do something like this, because he's having trouble keeping these squares or the separation. So I'm going to hit the plus key and I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees and I'm going to have it snap to there. Now, we don't know if we're exactly in the middle because I didn't hold down the control button. So you can always grab both and hit C and then put it in the center of the page. Now I'm going to group those two together, Control G. Control D and duplicate. And then what he's doing like this, and he's mimicking this. And then if you hit it right the first time, it'll keep doing this and just keep flipping it, or there's a lot of ways around it. But where his problem is when he duplicates this, he doesn't have that space in that spot. So the best way to do it then, and I've drawn quite a few of these, so I've learned through the years. If we look, we're gonna make it 5 inches perfect. And then I would zoom in to make sure that you're good to go. And what we're going to do is we're going to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and move it down. So go down first. And then let's group these together, Control G. Now this is a little bit tricky. Tell you what, we got our ratio unlocked. I'm going to make it 3 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor to 3. And I'm going to grab this and hit the plus key. And that didn't work. Because what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to Control D and make a duplicate and then move this one to here. Now you're going to get a little bit of a stair step by doing it this way. But if you do two of them now, Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and now we should be able to move it that 3 inches twice. Whoop, that still didn't work. So maybe it's not as good as I thought it was. But if you hit it the first time, it'll do that. Now, to get it all kind of even, just take all these, go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then holding down the Alt key and just wipe through here. Well, I've got too many. That's what I thought. I need to ungroup all, which I very seldom ever do. Or maybe I didn't group them. Take the Alt key and you can swipe through there, just select those ones that are on the outside. Alt key. With the Alt key, just whenever anything touches. So there it is. So he's got the even spaces. It's pretty cool pattern. I like the way he made it darker and lighter. When I did mine, I'm a little bit off. And this one probably pretty perfect. So let's use that one for an example. Let's group this together. Let's get rid of this. Control G to group and hit P. I'm going to hold down the Shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. Turn that rectangle black. It just kind of helps show it off. And then go up to Object, Order, Back a Page. And you get a pretty cool pattern. I mean, it looks like a woven, because this is the peak and it goes down in the kind of like a shadow. It really looks like and if you use if I would have used a different color or he did, you could make it almost look like, either like an old lawn chair or a metal bent. Anyway, I hope that helped him and somebody someday, and thank you for watching.